Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni, one of the most advanced and intelligent robot vacuums on the market right now. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with the most impressive feature right out of the gate, the suction power. The DEEBOT X9 Pro is equipped with a mind-blowing blast system that delivers up to 16,600 pascals of suction. That's several times more powerful than what you'd find on typical robot vacuums, and it really shows when it comes to pulling up dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. It doesn't just skim the surface, it deep cleans with authority. But this robot doesn't stop at vacuuming. It's also a highly capable mop, thanks to the OZMO Turbo 2.0 roller mopping system. This isn't your average flat pad dragger, it features a dual rotating roller design that scrubs your floors with consistent pressure. What makes it truly special is the instant self-washing feature. As it cleans, it returns to the base station, scrubs itself clean, and goes right back to work. That means your floors stay clean, and your mop stays fresh throughout the entire session. The DEEBOT X9 Pro is built around a smart and efficient system called the Triple Lift System. It lifts its mops automatically when it detects carpet, so your rugs stay dry and your cleaning uninterrupted. It also raises the vacuum brush head when transitioning between surfaces and lifts the entire unit when needed to navigate over obstacles. This seamless adjustment means you don't need to worry about manually switching modes or moving furniture to help it do its job. Another highlight is the ZeroTangle 3.0 technology built into the main brush. If you've dealt with other robot vacuums constantly getting tangled with hair, this feature will be a game changer. It actively prevents hair from wrapping around the brush roller, so you don't have to stop and untangle anything midway through a cleaning session. It's especially useful in homes with pets or long-haired residents. Navigation is top tier thanks to ECOVACS AI Smart Navigation. It maps your home in real time with incredible accuracy, even recognizing objects and adjusting its path on the fly. Whether it's toys on the floor, furniture legs, or tight corners, it adapts its route intelligently, minimizing missed spots and avoiding unnecessary bumps. You can control everything through the ECOVACS app, which gives you full access to room-by-room customization, zone cleaning, scheduling, and more. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant are also supported for quick and easy control. At the heart of the system is the fully integrated Omni Station. This is where the magic happens. It's a hands-free base that automatically empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and cleans the mop pads without you needing to lift a finger. It even dries the mop pads after cleaning to prevent odors and mildew. If you're tired of constantly maintaining your robot vacuum, this kind of automation is a dream. In terms of design, the DEEBOT X9 Pro is sleek and modern, fitting into almost any home aesthetic without drawing too much attention. The low profile lets it glide under furniture with ease, and the sensors on board are extremely responsive, preventing collisions and falls with excellent precision. Battery life is also impressive. It runs for hours on a single charge, and if it needs more juice in the middle of a job, it automatically returns to the Omni Station to recharge and resumes exactly where it left off. This ensures full coverage every time, even in larger homes. To wrap it all up, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni isn't just another robot vacuum, it's an all-in-one home cleaning powerhouse. From ultra-powerful suction to self-washing mops, intelligent navigation, and a fully automated base station, it delivers a truly hands-free experience that redefines convenience. If you're serious about keeping your floors spotless without lifting a finger, this is one of the best investments you can make. Click the link below for the best price, and experience next-level smart cleaning with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni.